Hi guys, today we'll learn how to encode a data using Caesar cipher method using VLab software. This link is given in the description also, you can make use of that. First let us learn how this encryption works. So this is the formula given for this encryption. We have input text, we have key, and when we add key to the input text we get cipher text. For example, we give text as A, B, C, D, E, F. We want to encode this with the key 2. So what will be the resultant is, each letter here is added with 2. So A plus 2, B plus 2, C plus 2, D plus 2, E plus 2 and F plus 2. So in each letter is added with 2. So we see here A is 1, B is 2, C is 3. So when A is added with 2 it becomes C. When B is added with 2 we get D. So A, B, C, D, E, F when added with 2 becomes C, D, E, F, G, H. Now let us implement it using VLab. Click for simulation and let us give input text here. A, B, C, D, E, F incremented with 2, we get C, D, E, F, G, H. When you evaluate it is correct. Now what happens if we give capital letters here? A, B, C, D, E, F incremented by 2 and C, D, E, F, G, H. Still it is correct. Now what will happen if we give capital letters here? When we give capital letters A, B, C, D, E, F, try to increment it by 2 and give small letters in cipher text. This is incorrect because when you see the solution here, capital A plus 2 is capital C, capital B plus 2 is capital D. They are not small letters. So when you try to give cipher text as small letters, it shows an error. Now what will happen if we give numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 incremented by 1. Now according to the rule it should become 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But this encryption method does not accept numbers. It only encodes the alphabet values. So when you evaluate, this is incorrect. You see, because the data remains as such, it won't change. So let us give it one more time. 1, 3. Let us increment it by 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Evaluate, it is correct. So the data will not change here. So let us try for another example. Let us take cricket here and give key as 3. So now what will become? So C is 3. When it is incremented by 3 it should become 6, F. And R is 18. When we increment it by 3 it should become 21. So C turns to F, R turns to U, I will become L. So similarly the whole word cricket will become FUL, FN, HW. Let us write the same here. FUL, FN, HW. And when you evaluate, it is correct. If you want, you can see the solution here. So C plus 3 is F, R plus 3 is U, I plus 3 is L, up to so on, T plus 3 is W. Thank you.